NASA and other organizations are especially interested in the planet Mars as it is a possible source of living organisms. Some scientists believe life may have evolved on Mars, but no signs of life have been discovered in spite of highly technical equipment used to search for life there. Students should carefully read the objectives and notes in the teacher's book for investigation number 14. Students should write the headlines from newspapers or magazines with their subheading or the first sentence, along with the name of the newspaper or magazine and the date of publication. They should try to find both secular articles and articles from the list of recommended websites in the introductory video. A couple of good search terms are extraterrestrial life and life from outer space. If students don't have access to the internet at home, they will be able to view these sites at any public library. We want them to realize that naturalistic evolutionists believe that living things came to exist as a result of random, accidental events. Creation scientists believe otherwise, believing living things could only have been created as a result of purposeful, God-designed creation.